Well, I was a mechanical engineer for Gun JCB and did my apprenticeship with a JCB agent. I did a short spell in Nigeria and I've worked in Saudi Arabia supporting a service dealership for JCB. Came home, was going to go back to my old job, but had a look around and had a good think, and my game plan originally was to start my own business. So with a little nudge and a shove from Ros, we started our own business. Initially it was me and my van, and then we took on a YTS employee as it was then. He was with us for 8 years in the end, and we more or less just a two-man operation. And then Ros was doing all the paperwork, which she continues to do now. We were predominantly involved with the one-man bands that had one or two machines, couldn't afford their own maintenance team, and that's where we fitted in. We started modifying a few machines and sandblasting and respraying and refurbishing excavators for companies. We then got involved with WA Developments, who have now turned into Stobart Rail. That was in sort of 1999. Year 2000, they asked us to get involved with the procurement and maintenance of their road rail fleet. We helped them build up to sort of 25 road rail excavators during an 8-year period. We gave them full support on a daily basis. They set up their own service department, and we were sort of out of commission after the 8 years. But that gave us a sort of a springboard then to get our own business up and running, and during those periods we're getting involved with various other road rail companies. We were then invited sort of 4 years ago to Network Rail to provide a rail wheel braking system for Type 9B road rail excavators. We were successful with that project in its initial design and development, and we took on the full spirit of the project, and in the end we converted approximately 350 machines. We've now been successful in securing the second phase of the rail wheel braking project, and we're converting the access baskets and dumpers and machines that were out of scope of the original projects. We've got our new workshop that's sort of 12 metres by 44 metres with an overhead gantry crane, and all the air compressor lines, electrics and power supplies are all in here now, so that's been up and running since last July, and we're sort of starting to feel that we're getting cramped for space now, but otherwise things are moving forward nicely.